All right, so let's do an overview of searching within Discovery, which is got a lot of quirks to it, I'm finding, that we have to just kind of work through and troubleshoot as we go. So as questions come up over the semester, please continue to ask and check in with librarians and don't get frustrated because we are still figuring out and learning the quirks ourselves. So if I do a search in this first box here, I want to keep it probably pretty general, like one term, just like we would in the catalog, one concept rather. So we'll just do freedom of expression for an example today. So there's the results list is really nice looking. It says there's just over 7,000 results here at Keene State College that we have access to. Again, this is searching articles and books. It shows you here what the databases are. What I can say is that I have gone and repeated searches in the database themselves, like directly in Academic Search Complete, and I get significantly more results by searching directly within the database. So that tells me it's not searching all database content. So I'm not sure exactly what it's pulling from, but it is giving us some entry points into, into some other databases. So it's a one-stop shop, but it is definitely not complete. Okay, so the other thing to recognize is that this is how this page is sorted, which is over here on the right-hand side. You can do best match. I believe that's doing keywords based by like looking more closely at titles and not so much at descriptions. Maybe it's pulling a little bit from descriptions, but my understanding is it's mostly looking at titles. The recency is a little unreliable. I think it's picking up things that are more recent, but it's definitely not putting them in date order. Like you can see that this article is from 2015 and it's coming up in the list before the 2017 list. So it's got some other rankings that it's taking into consideration. If you really want date newest first, you want to select, date newest first. So we'll do that for our topic here on freedom of expression and pull up the things that are newest. And then I think I'm also going to go over to the left and I'm going to just look at my list of books for now. All right. So that's bringing me up some ebooks, which makes sense that those are some of the newer materials, freedom of information in a post 9/11 world. So when I click on that, it's saying that we have access to it. I can click here. It looks like there's actually two systems that we have access to it in. So if I preferred, EBSCO over eBook Central, whatever that is, I could make a choice. But let's just try clicking on Access Online, that nice blue button there, and see where it brings me. All right, so directly to ProQuest eBook Central. So here's my book. I can read it, download it. You'll have to watch a different training video on navigating around in ProQuest eBook Central, but that's where the ebook is. What's nice is that on the left-hand side here, I can still navigate to my other, to the other results that were in my search results list, right? So let's see, this one it says is available at Keene State, so let's look at that one. Let's see, so I could place a hold on it. It is in the KSC main collection, and here's the call number. There is a link here to request it from Interlibrary Loan, but let's hope that that's not used that often considering the book is here in our results. You can actually save this book, and then it will go up here to your My Items list. You can email it. You can also get a citation for the book, which is very nice. Right, so that is it for this video, and I'll continue it on in a second one. Thanks.